Open any Power BI report, add a bar chart. Now put month name on the axis. What you will see is April, August, December, January, February, January, right? And that's what you get every time. Not because something broke, because that's exactly what Power BI is supposed to do. You will never be told that anything is different or anything is wrong. And that's what this video fixes. But more than fixing it, it's going to change the way you think about Power BI entirely. There are two sorting problems we are solving today. The first one you've probably already hit, that is the month issue, and the second one catches you the moment you go cross year, meaning multi years. Month name, April, August, December, these won't sort correct automatically, and we need to talk about why and how to fix it. Same thing here, April 23, April 24, August 23, August 24. This is not the intended result. You want Jan to Feb and then all the way through, then Jan 24 again and all the way through, right? How do we get from here to there? Now let me show you in Power BI real quickly. This is the dates table, and what I've done is I've created two dates table this time. Dim dates 1 and dim dates 2. Okay, so dim dates is the correct one, dim dates 2 is the wrong one. Now in dim dates 2, basically what is happening, I'll just show you again. This is happening from dim dates and this is happening from dim dates 2 table. Okay, so in this dim dates 2 is there, in this dim dates 1 is there. And how can we make the dim dates 2 also correct is the main thing. So what is happening in dim dates 1 that is not happening in dim dates 2. So this is the month name. If I click on this sort by column, it has month name. So what is going wrong is April in alphabetical order, April should be first, August should be second, right? And that is what it is doing, which is correct for what it does, but that this is not what we are wanting. Okay, and what is happening differently in dim dates is, now we see here, sort by column. Here it's not month name, here it's sorting by month, and we can see this column month here. So what is happening is month is a number. July is corresponding to 7, April is corresponding to 4. So that is why it is showing correct here. A very quick fix, we'll do that in the other table. Before we do that, similarly, MMYY, April 26. Okay, we are in the correct dim, is in the wrong one. MMYY, it is sorting by MMYY. So now let's start fixing. What if I sort this by year month number? Okay. How do we get this number 202407? That is for July 07 and 2024. So we multiply it by 100, the year, and then the number, the month number in the formula. We can see out here. This is how we got it. A quick thing worth knowing, in the year month number formula, the month is coming as 07, right? Because the month it is taking, right, and out here it's just showing 7, but here it is taking 07, which is doing the intended purpose, right? Now compare it to the week column, week 27, where I explicitly wrote if week is greater than 10, sorry, is less than 10, then add the 0 thing, okay, and then do it, and then put the week number, and then if it is greater than 0, so no issues, right? So you should understand this difference. Are you relying on luck or are you controlling the outcome? In this, I am actually controlling the outcome of what is happening. In this, I'm relying on luck a bit, that month date will give me the proper one, right? So we need to be aware of what the result is going to come. We should not just take our formula blindly and just put it and expect that whatever the result is correct. right? So one of the many properties of a data analyst or a Power BI developer, the first property, quality check, verify, see if everything is correct or not. So very quickly, I fix it now. I go out here, I click on year, month, number. I go out here, guess what? Month, right? So I click on month here. Now, let's go here. Both are matching. So was it magic or was it a controlled outcome? Now, here's the thing I want you to take away, and it's bigger than sorting. Nothing is automatic. Power BI does not know January comes before April. It knows what you tell it. A sort column is how you tell it. Don't wait for the magic to happen, create the magic. And this isn't just a dates problem. Think about countries. Nobody in a business wants to see Austria or Algeria at the top unless you are from that country. But just because it starts with A, you want, if you are supposedly in US or Canada, you would want to see US at the top, or Canada or at the top, or some other country where you belong from, because it might have the maximum sales, is what we are assuming. So alphabetical order is completely meaningless there. So what do? You create a sort column, bring in the sales amount associated with each country, and tell the country field to sort by that. Same pattern, different data. And now when you understand that, the whole tool makes more sense. Sort columns, relationship directions, filter context. You stop fighting Power BI and start configuring it. You build something with confidence, and when something challenges a number, your answer isn't let me check on that. That is the intended behavior is should be your answer. And this is how it was built, and this is why it was built. So instead of shying away or getting nervous while presenting your dashboards, you should be more confident. If you have controlled all the outcome, you should be more confident that this is the intended purpose and why this is the intended purpose. Now there are more advanced sorting problems coming. Okay, three of them. First is reverse sorting. Right now we go Jan 29, Feb 29 onwards. What if you want to come back from December 26? Then you want November 26th, and so on. The mindset you now will have will get you the most of the way there, but there's a specific wrinkle, and that is what will get its own video. Second is duplicate values. Imagine you have two salesperson named John, different people, same name. How do you sort for that? Most of the time, you won't even know they are duplicates until the sort breaks on you. Third is the country problem I just mentioned. Circular depend. Okay, so I didn't mention the circular dependency issue you will get, but once you try it on your own, you will get that issue, and then you will be actually left stumped, like how to solve for this. So these are the issues that is going to come, especially the circular dependency is the main, let's say, brain killer. But right now, your dates are sorted correctly. Your month name is in order. Your MMMYY runs Jan 23, Feb 23 properly without scrambling. Time intelligence correctness is what everything else is built on. That's the first thing to get right. The full dim dates code, including every sort column we use today, is linked in the description. Next video, what happens when months go missing from your charts entirely? Not wrong order, just gone. And your stakeholder is looking at a line chart with no idea. 3 months have disappeared. Drop a comment now if your months were sorting wrong before this. See you in the next one. Thank you.